Clarity, belief, and faith. These are the three words that were repeated over and over again when Gautam Gambhir and Surya Kumar Yadav walked into that press conference room with the trophy on his shoulder. As witty as always, Surya Kumar Yadav, as Gambhir as always, Gautam Gambhir. The captain and the coach duo that has been able to win the trophy tonight and defend their T20 World Cup title, answer every possible question that the press had for them. It was a long press conference, 40 to 45 minutes, but they really put everything out there. What's going on in the team? What is the dressing room like? What are the conversations that have been had throughout this tournament? And it was one of the most insightful press conferences to watch if you're talking about the philosophy of the team. And first off, right off the bat, Gautam Gambhir is asked the question, you are the first coach to win 2 ICC titles for India. How does it feel? And Gautam Gambhir says, it's not me. It's the players who win me this trophy. It's the player. The coach is as good as the player. And for a long time, there was a lot of criticism on how this team was playing and what they were doing. But he was very set on his ways. He knew that he wanted this team to play differently. He did not want to differentiate between bilaterals and ICC cricket. And he said this very clearly. He said, we are so privileged to do what we do, to wear the Indian jerseys. There are millions and thousands of players who would kill for an opportunity that we have to be as privileged as we are. So I'm not someone who loves to differentiate between ICC tournaments and bilateral. I treat every game as an opportunity to go out there and perform to the best of our abilities. And it doesn't matter if I've won 2 trophies or whatever. It's about the team. It's about, and he said, it's not about individual or personal milestones. This team is about winning trophies. That's what defines me as a coach. And he said that for a long, long time, this was, a label that the Indian team had, where there was being said that they are bilateral bullies, that they play differently in bilaterals and differently in ICC tournaments, and that is the one label that they wanted to change, and they have been able to do that. When it comes to accountability, when he was asked about the criticism, the social media banter and all of that, he said very simply, my accountability is not to the people who are sitting behind keyboards. My accountability is to the people who are in the dressing room. And the process was always about playing high risk, high reward cricket. It's always about not being afraid of losing. And in the last 2 years, the Indian team has been able to play this type of cricket. And it was, he gave the credit where it was due. He said it was the captain's philosophy to play high risk, high reward cricket. And Sky also chimed in. He said that I've played under Gautam Gambhir for 4 years, and since then we've always been on the same page. And he had this little anecdote where he said that every single time we've sat down to decide what the playing 11 is going to be, or what the squad is going to be, more than enough times, more often than not, 14 out of the 15 players in both of our sheets will be the same. So we've always been clear on what we want to do, what kind of brand of cricket we want to play. And he also said that I don't even remember having an argument in the many years that I've spent with him. So that's how in sync the coach and the captain is at this moment. Gautam Gambhir once again spoke of this philosophy with Surya Kumar Yadav and this partnership that he has with him. And he said that it's never about individual milestones. We've stopped celebrating individual milestones, and you should too. He addressed the press directly, and he said, he kept making this point about if a player is on 96 and he spends the next 4 deliveries taking singles so that he can get to that milestone, he is costing the team of some very important run. If he is able to go out there when he's on 96 and hit a 6, or is able to hit a 4, then that's the kind of player that we want in the team, who's going to go out there and try to aggress, who's trying to get some high-risk reward, high-risk cricket, is able to play that, is willing to play that. And, he said, a lot of people say a lot of things, but we want to see actions. Again, in general, when we talk about the performance of the Indian team, Surya Kumar obviously said that we did not start the tournament the way that we should have, but the next goal is the Olympics gold. So they are thinking about it, and it will be fun to see what really happens with that. But apart from that, when we talk about this duo, Sky and Gautam Gambhir, there's always this image, right, that they have dominated white ball cricket. To which Gautam Gambhir brushed it off. He said, if we had dominated white ball cricket, we wouldn't have lost 2 ODI series. So that's not something we've forgotten about. Yes, ICC is a completely different ballpark, but we are not dominating white ball cricket at the moment, but we would like to. And he said the people in the dressing room are incredibly privileged. And the point that I was making before, that there are millions who want to do what we do. So nothing can be taken for granted, be it ICC tournaments or be it bilateral cricket. And there were, like I started this show, right, that when we talk about belief, clarity, courage, high risk, high reward cricket, that requires a lot of trust in the team, to which Surya Kumar Yadav said that it's very important to understand that there is more failure than success in sport. Ups and downs will happen, but you have to respect the game, be true to yourself, and know that you can't cheat the man in the mirror. It's important to understand the players off the field, to have those conversations with them, to understand their characters, to understand when to push the pedal, when to take it off, when to push someone and when to sort of let them be. They spoke about Sanju Samson, how after those 4 games in the New Zealand series, the captain and the coach both decided that Sanju needed a break. And the fact that he's been able to come back into the team from not being in the scheme of things to then becoming the player of the series, it shows a lot of mental temperament and how much work Sanju Samson has done behind the scenes. Because as Gautam Gambhir said, that we never believed Sanju was out of form. We just believed that he needed a break. And to understand that and to build that camaraderie and partnership, it takes a lot for a captain. And Surya said this, I don't want to be referred as a captain. I want to be referred as a leader. Again, when it comes to this very topic, this philosophy of belief and trust, Gautam Gambhir did say that you pick the team on trust and faith, not hope. I never felt we've ever picked a team on hope. We had faith. Irrespective of winning or losing this tournament, I have faith in this team and it will never go away. Finally, Gautam Gambhir made a nice little dedication to the people who have come before him, and he said that I want to dedicate this trophy to Rahul and Lakshman for doing so much unconditional work for Indian cricket. Centre of Excellence remains the pipeline for talent in Indian cricket. Ajit Agarkar is also someone who deserves this trophy. And Jay Bhai, who called me when I was at my lowest. No one called me at that point. And he trusted me with my job because I did not have any experience of being a head coach, but he was the one who trusted me. And I have to thank him for doing just that. It's been an incredible tournament. There's been some high, there's been some lows, but there's been a lot of rights and a lot of wrongs as well. But that's sport, that's life, and we keep rolling. India will continue the celebrations as we get more updates on whether or not there are any special celebrations happening. We will keep you updated, we will keep you posted on that. But it's a bittersweet feeling to say this for one final time, but I'm Gargi Rao signing off from Ahmedabad and the T20 World Cup, where India have been crowned the champions once again.